This is from Chico, bitch. All right, squad, it's that time again. Time for the new LCA release from Chico. This is our first introduction in the LCA to Master Blender Chico Rivas out of the Dominican Republic. And this guy makes some incredible cigars, like the one we have right here. This is a 5-year aged cigar. It's got an HVA Dominican wrapper on it. It has a Corojo 98 binder, and it's got Habano and Corojo 2000 fillers.
It's got Criollo binder.
Criollo binder, I'm sorry. Criollo 98 binder, Corojo and Habano 2020 fillers. I see Brian.
Need some help over here?
Well, I guess I can't remember my line, so.
Need some help? Need some help?
You can't see his face. Listen, man, so here's the deal. You know, at Pravada, we've been doing this for 4 years now, which is really hard to believe that it's only been 4 years. The impact that you guys are making is insane. And you see that, Johnny? I mean, the band alone, it's like... All right, so anyway, we've been doing this 4 years. So what we've been doing in the 4 years is trickling into the best blenders, right? That's where we're at now. So 2022 is just going to be like, boom, 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 boom. The best, the best, the best. We got it down to like, you know, there's 4 or 5 people that are just, and they all seem to serve different purposes, like have different superpowers, and that's amazing. I'd like to believe that Chico Rivas is going to be one of these people. Chico started his career at Quesada, did some other things. He's an artist. Has a lot of artistic integrity. I've heard tons of wild stories about him with guns, mood swings, all types of shit. He's an artist. That's what I mean. Johnny is very like that makes sense. A lot of our best people. Like I've heard this about other people too, but it's just I've heard more about him in less time than I mean. We have other people that make us cigars that are temperamental. Let's say they're artists. This is what they do. So. Anyway, so we're bringing light to these people, and this is a guy who about 5-6 years ago was involved with a brand called Chogui, and it was like Fear the Effing Bird or something like that. And I remember this brand making such a huge impact and then just fizzling out. So I've heard a lot of people saying like, oh, these are the Choguis, or we've had other things that were the Choguis. I don't believe that to be true. This is 5-year aged HVA wrapper, Dominican grown wrapper, Criollo 98 binder, Corojo fillers. I believe they're from, the Corojo is from Honduras, right?
Oh, walk into the frame.
Yeah, you got to push me out. So and then Habano from Dominican Republic. What I like about Chico is he's able to take Dominican tobacco and make it something really unique. Sweet, chewy smoke, rich, enough pepper in the retro. It's like you start to smoke these and you're like, okay, they're everything you want a cigar to be. So that's the superpower that I think Chico has. I'm proud to introduce him to you guys. He's done other cigars for us, but nothing that I think I've ever really put his name on. And now it's time to really start shining light on another one of our amazing finds. Another one, Mr. Chico Rivas. So,
and if you don't buy these cigars,
yeah,
this bitch is gonna show up at your local LCA.
So, but listen, hold on, man. You're probably not gonna be able to get this cigar though.
I mean, yeah, this one, it's limited. It's quite limited. I'm sorry.
That's the thing. So respect it. Try to get one. Don't buy them all. Let some other people have them too. Probably they should limit 2 per customer or something like that.
I mean, that would be the best case scenario.
There is a possibility I can get more of these in the future, but not right now. They are there. They're there, but there is a little bit of a conflict with who has dibs on them. So I'm working on that, but Try to get yourself one of these if you can. If not, please don't get upset with us. The LCA Plus this month is the Mr. Robot Fumador, and it's also a fantastic cigar from a mystery blender who we all know and love and wants to remain nameless and wants to hear what you think of this blend, having smoked it, not knowing who this person is.
Fantastic.
Hashtag We Are Pravada, hashtag Limited Cigar Association, hashtag PSSITA, hashtag Clark is late.
Okay.
Hashtag done in time. Yeah.
I was early, bitch. This is from Chico, bitch.